Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with a Felicity Jane subscription. This is my last subscription. I've waited to open it because I just love it so much and I hate the fact that I've had to take a break from it. But Gina at Felicity Jane, she is great. If you're not subscribed or you haven't gone over to that website, might I encourage you, just go to felicityjane.com and you will see the beauty of her creativity. So let's look. So see how beautiful these are. They come, I saved the ribbon, I saved the tissue, I save it all. I love it all. And so here is the hello. So it says hello, thanks for the order, and it's Felicity Jane. So felicityjane.com is the website. And I use everything. I use the paper, I use the sprinkles, whatever they call. I even use the boxes. So anyways, I use these boxes. They are fantastic if you're working on a 12 by 12 layout and you want to kind of power lay it out and then go back and attach everything. These are perfect for that, or any other kind of project that you might be using, so, or be working on. So this is the Rebecca. So this is, oh gosh, look at these. These are hearts. There are 27 vellum hearts in there. Aren't those beautiful? Oh my goodness, so you can see they're different sizes, colors, everything. Beautiful. And then, oh, look at here, the vellum pockets. I love that. So they're vellum pocket, they're fronts. Oh, and then they have the tape that you can put them down. I love those. Man, is that not smart or what? You could literally, there's a lot to be learned in these kits, really. Then here is the 35-piece die cut in shape. So here's Rebecca, and then here's all the die cuts that come in this kit. So I love these. These are, I can't say enough about her ephemera, her paper. It is all gorgeous. Her dies, her stamps. I can't remember if she has dies. I don't think of everybody. Oh, I love these. Oh, isn't that perfect for like Thanksgiving, fall, any of that? I love that. And really, I've had this, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, so I'm just really late getting it opened. You guys have probably already seen this already. So here's the stamp set that comes with it, the Rebecca. Now, the Rebecca stamp, you have to go back and order that separately. So, but that's fine. And it even has the stamp that has her name. So, beautiful family, home, love. If you are not worried about it, you can give somebody you know that stamp. But if you want to keep it together, that's totally understandable. You know, but like I've gotten one for both of my girls and it's worked out perfect. Don't think I have one for my daughter-in-law. I don't think so. I have to go back and see if she has that kit, but I don't think she has yet. So, ooh, here's the white letters for this month, and you get all the hearts and the stars. How cute. These are just kind of erased, almost epoxy. I love that. Here's the punctuation, and then all the rest of the letters and the numbers. You get a goodly amount to work with, and I love the white. Okay, is there anything? Yes, I was thinking there had to be a couple of more. Okay, so these are the journaling cards. And I will take these out and show you because her journaling cards are the best. So she either has a grid or dot back, and I love that. They are perfect. And I use these in my Bible journaling. Whoops, I use these everywhere. I use this in my scrapbooking, in my regular journals, in my Bible itself, my journaling Bible. I love these. These are perfect. Hello, pumpkin. You can do it that way. Those are just like the stitch, the wave embroidery stitch. And then here are the flowers. Oh, goodness. These colors are so fall. I love the week number. Oh, I love that. Okay, so see, you get a beautiful amount of cards. I mean, these are the most luxury, beautiful, thick. Oh, gosh, look at those. Those are all tags. They're T90 tags. Oh my goodness gracious, I love those. This is one of those things, sorry, I've got a little gnat in here, that I will order extra. That is so cute. Okay, and then lastly, here is the paper. So you get X amount of printed paper, okay? It's gorgeous. So very fall, very beautiful. And she always ties back in colors that I like, the pinks and whatnot. She always has a black and white, and then she has 4 different solids. So, and they match the kit, and they have that beautiful bottom on it that you can cut off and make a strip. You can do whatever you want with it. I mean, I always love these. So that is, I think this was October. Was it September? I don't know. Probably, it may have even been September because we were traveling. Kit, and they are super sweet. I've had to stop and restart, you know, with my parents when they were ill, and then now with all the travel and the baby coming. So, you know, she is so great to work with. And I use that hello card too. I think it's charming. It's perfect on a card, even though it has things on the back. Let me show you. It gives all of her information on the back. You can pop that up on or put it on the front of a card that you want to send. So, I mean, she does fantastic kits. So please, please, please go by FelicityJane.com if you're interested. They also have a sale page, a clearance page. Hint, hint. Yes, I love that part. And tell Gina I sent you, and just tell her how beautiful her kits are and her papers and all of her products. All right, friends, if you feel that way. Sorry, if you feel that way. But thanks so much for stopping by. I'm so glad you're here today. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. It really helps our channel, and it really helps me personally. So I really appreciate it when you guys take the time to like a video. It's really so kind of you. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Though I won't be doing Felicity Jane for a while. But come on back. We do lots of different things here. And, I mean, we have tons of different types of videos. So you could probably find something that would encourage you, because this channel is all about encouragement. That was the base of this channel, what it was created for. And then hit that notification bell. It'll tell you every time a new video comes up. Also, leave a comment. If you received this kit, how are you using yours? Or have you even, like, busted it open yet to actually put it into play? I'm behind. And then I may use it when we print out our pictures from our trip to New England. And that'd be perfect because it's fall. And then lastly, share this video if it would encourage anybody else. And we'd love for you to do that. And that's what we're about. We love encouraging each other. So, all right, my friends, most importantly, thank you for stopping by. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and just so, so lovely. I will be talking to you guys soon. Y'all take care. Love you. Bye-bye.